Hello viewers, today I am here with 4 sandwich recipes. You can serve it for breakfast, you can send it in your kids' tiffin box. It's really good. So let's see how to make them. Chicken mayo sandwich. We need a small piece of chicken breast, cutting them into cubes. Cook this by adding pepper, salt and little bit of water. Cook this until chicken becomes soft and tender and then keep this aside. Along with this I am going to add some vegetables. We need 1/4 cup of finely chopped lettuce. Take a mixing bowl, add fresh lettuce, shredded chicken, half piece of tomato. I removed its pulp and roughly chopped it. Adding tomato pieces, 1 carrot thinly grated, we need 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and some chili flakes for little bit of spiciness and some salt. So nicely mixing it. Chicken mayo sandwich filling is ready. For making sandwiches, here I have some bread slices. You can trim the edges if you want. I'm not using any extra sandwich spread, just spreading the prepared filling and covering this. So sandwiches are ready. If you want, you can toast it, but I prefer to serve it like this. Next one is veg mushroom sandwich. We need half piece of onion finely chopped, half piece of capsicum finely chopped, and 12 pieces of button mushrooms. Wash it well and slice them. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, adding finely chopped onion, chopped capsicum, salt it well, sliced mushrooms. All these veggies turn soft, so I'm going to add some masala. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala. Sprinkle a little bit of water and mix well. Finally, I am adding 1 mashed potato, which will help to bind everything, and some salt. Allow this to cook for 2 minutes in a very low flame and then switch off the flame. Spread some green chutney on each bread slices, spreading some mushroom filling. On the top of this, some cheese. Applying some ghee on a non-stick pan and toasting it. Both sides became really crispy and golden in color and it's ready to serve. Next one, egg sandwich. Here I have 4 boiled eggs. First I am going to separate egg yolks and whites. Mash it well with a spoon and make it like a powder. Adding 4 tablespoons of chili mayonnaise, chopped tomato, some lettuce, chopped egg whites, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala and little bit of salt. Giving it a very good mix. So it's ready. So you can fill it inside the bread and serve it right away. So these boiled egg sandwiches are ready to serve. Next one is a tricolor sandwich. First I will show you how to make beetroot pickle. This recipe actually I shared in my last video. If you haven't watched this one, I will show you quickly once again. Here I have 1 boiled beetroot. Grind this and make a smooth paste by adding some ginger, garlic and green chilies. Adding some pre-soaked dates and vinegar. Vinegar helps to retain the shelf life of pickle up to 2 weeks. So 2 tablespoons of vinegar I am adding. And salt. So beetroot pickle is ready. For making sandwich, first I'm spreading some green chutney. Placing another slice of the bread. Spreading some prepared beetroot pickle. Covering this with one more slice of the bread and it's done. You can serve it straight away or you can serve it chilled after keeping this inside the refrigerator for half an hour or something. Hope you liked today's recipes. Thank you so much for all your support. See you soon with another video. Until then, bye bye.